Check out this new bad boy. Just got that yesterday. Very keen to use that. Sick of using the little hand pump one. I'll be able to do the front and back lawns with that. So, yo!
Today, as you can see, there's a bit of a dry spot starting on the lawn. Yeah, it's a bit hard to see. Green over here just starts to get a little bit brown. Green through here. And what I'm thinking is that there's not enough water getting to these areas. So today I'm going to install another sprinkler, just a pop-up valve just in between these two areas here. Been having some days over 40 and man, those dogs are going crazy. Yeah, that's you. Overall, I think the lawn's going pretty well. After that top dress, it's looking pretty nice. A couple of spots still reasonably dry here and there, but how crazy are those dogs. And there's a cat. Yeah, this is probably the best looking area here. It's looking nice and lush, nice and green. Bit of seed head coming up, but Santarana tends to do that. Remember over here I just used glyphosate and just poisoned everything to get rid of lots of the weeds. Have a look at the runners coming out of this. In every direction. Three-corner jack. Get rid of him. Yeah, runners everywhere. It's sort of looking like that in most places. Lots of runners, which I'm super pumped about. Even in the wasteland area here. So many weeds germinating, but there's a lot of runners coming out of here. So runners starting to come across from here. But today we're going to put this sprinkler valve in here to hopefully keep this area here a little bit more hydrated. So when I put this pipe in here, the irrigation pipe was pretty hungover, so it's not going to be super deep. And I'm obviously going to have to try and get it down that deep at least, so the sprinkler head can sit below this the concrete, so it doesn't get hit with the mower. So I might have to pull it out a little bit and then just angle it in. See how we go. Right, so this is now deep enough. It's going to sit below the surface of this concrete. These are 4-inch pop-ups, 100mm. There's plenty of space there. Get it covered up, put some wire over it so the dogs don't dig it out. And you might have seen I'm trying to save some of the chunks from the top that have some root structure in them and have a little bit of stuff that's alive, so I can fill it back in.